welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. Today's video is on a simple and humble dish called pasta fasoul. I ate this a lot growing up, but before I get into the ingredients of this, I want to mention that my Instagram handle has changed to The Bite with Jackie. I wanted to make everything cohesive, so that way my Instagram, my YouTube, my Pinterest, my Facebook, everything flows and I'm under the same name. Before I was under _ The Bite. So you can find me here now. I post a lot about what I eat on a daily basis, so go follow. I normally post a lot about Asian food, but I also grew up with a lot of Italian food. My dad, when he came to America, lived in New Jersey, and he ate a lot of Italian food and loves pizza, true Italian/New Yorker style pizza. And my mom's family lived across the street from an Italian family who immigrated from Italy. And so we got a lot of traditional Italian meals from her too. So I want to share this with you because it's made with a lot of easy pantry staples that hopefully either you have or you can still find in stores during this crazy time. So let me show you what you're gonna need. So I have some diced onions and garlic. I have a can of cannelloni beans. Use whatever beans you have, but I just think it tastes and looks the best with these. Italian seasoning, but you can substitute for dried oregano. A can of tomato sauce. This is an 8-ounce can, and we will use the can to fill it up with water to add to the dish as well. Some olive oil, and then this is ditalini pasta. This is what it looks like. I'm sure you're familiar with it. Any pasta will work, but I prefer small pasta for this dish. I just think it works better because everything is kind of the same size. When this expands in the dish, as it cooks, it's about the same size as the beans and as the diced onions. So if there were like penne pasta in here, I don't know. I just think it works a lot better with smaller pasta like this, or like pastinas, I think that was what they're called. So let's go over to the stove and start making it because it's really quick. So I added my olive oil in a pan on medium-high heat, and to that I'm gonna add my onions and my garlic. At this point, you can add your Italian seasoning, and I didn't mention it in the beginning, but you can also add salt and pepper here as well. Stir the onions and garlic until they become soft and translucent, just like this. Add in the can of tomato sauce, but look how much is left in there. You want to fill that up with water so that you're using every little bit of what's in that can. Fill it up with water 3 times, and this is going to allow the pasta to cook, and it's going to thicken up a little bit, so you want that extra liquid in there. Add in your beans, give it a stir, and let it come to a boil. Once it's at a boil, add in your pasta and give it a stir from the bottom. This way, nothing sticks while it's cooking. Lower the heat down to low and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Once the pasta looks like this, it's expanded and the liquid has thickened, you are ready to eat. In times like these, when we're quarantined, we're at home, and we're just feeling a little off, meals like these kind of help nourish you back to life, and it's something warm and cozy, kind of has that same chili effect. It's just nice and hearty, it's easy, and it's got a nice sauce to it. I mean, you can dunk bread in this. I ain't mad about that. I like to serve this with greens on the side just because I feel like I need some veggies with it. But my daughter also loves this. I mean, I literally have to feed this to her without her shirt on because it gets everywhere. She goes ham. It's delicious. It's so comforting, and I'm happy because my whole family can be fed from this pot that only consisted of like 5 ingredients. I love this dish. It's so hearty, it's so warming, and it's perfect for this time when you're just chilling at the house. Grab a bowl of this and put on some Netflix. You're in the good zone right there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this gave you a little bit of inspo on how to use some of your pantry ingredients. Give this video a like if you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you next time on The Bite.